Welcome to Sephia Spaces. Today we're exploring a home where calm elegance meets thoughtful design. With warm, neutral tones, natural textures, and timeless simplicity, every corner of this house reflects the beauty of intentional living. Let's begin our tour. Street view. From the street, the home immediately feels inviting. Its soft, neutral facade and clean architectural lines create a quiet sense of elegance that blends naturally with the surrounding landscape. Driveway. As we move along the driveway, the design begins to reveal its character. Natural stone pathways and gentle greenery guide us toward the entrance, creating a welcoming approach to the home. Front yard. The front yard is simple yet refined. Soft landscaping, natural textures, and open space give the home a calm and balanced presence. Porch. The front porch offers a quiet place to pause. With neutral seating and warm materials, it feels like an extension of the home's relaxed and elegant atmosphere. Entryway. Stepping inside, the entryway sets the tone. A simple console, a large mirror, and carefully chosen decor create a welcoming first impression. Living room. The living room is where comfort and design come together. Soft linen sofas, warm wooden elements, and gentle natural light create a space that feels both sophisticated and inviting. living room details. Looking closer, the details reveal the personality of the space. Sculptural objects, curated books, and textured materials add depth while maintaining a calm, balanced aesthetic. Dining room. The dining room is designed for gathering. A long wooden table anchors the space, while soft lighting above creates an atmosphere that feels both elegant and intimate. Kitchen. The kitchen continues the home's story of refined simplicity. Marble surfaces, warm cabinetry, and subtle brass accents bring together beauty and functionality. Pantry. Just beside the kitchen, the pantry offers a glimpse of thoughtful organization. Open shelving and natural materials keep the space both practical and visually pleasing. Bedroom. The bedroom is designed as a sanctuary. Soft linens, warm textures, and filtered natural light create a peaceful retreat from the outside world. Closet. The walk-in closet reflects the same calm elegance. Warm wood tones and clean lines create a space that feels both organized and luxurious. Bathroom. In the bathroom, simplicity becomes serenity. Marble surfaces, soft lighting, and a freestanding bathtub create a spa-like atmosphere within the home. Office. The home office balances productivity with comfort. A warm wood desk and curated decor create an inspiring place to think, work, and create. Library. The library brings a quiet sense of character to the home. Shelves filled with books and carefully chosen objects turn this room into a space for reflection and inspiration. Patio. Stepping outside once again, the patio becomes a natural extension of the interior. Neutral outdoor seating and warm textures create the perfect setting for relaxed afternoons. Sunset backyard. As the day comes to an end, the backyard reveals its most beautiful moment. The warm glow of sunset gently washes over the garden, completing the home's atmosphere of calm, comfort, and timeless design. Thank you for joining this tour here at Sephia Spaces. If you enjoyed exploring this home, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite space in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating spaces you love.